See shit right now.
Alright, so yeah,
It is so bright, I can't see anything.
Yeah.
E aí, galera, tudo bem? Tudo bom? Hoje eu estou com meu amigo Teddy e nós vamos cozinhar o Brigadeiro do Brasil aqui nos Estados Unidos. Vamos lá! The ingredients we need for this recipe of Brigadeiro says 1 can of unsweetened condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You need to get a medium-sized saucepan to combine all of your ingredients in the bowl together. Use your one-touch can opener. Alright, this doesn't work. Use a regular one, because that thing is garbage.
Goopy.
It is goopy. Alright. Get all the goop out. I don't actually know how big 1 tablespoon is, so I'm just gonna put it as the amount that I like.
Yeah, no, that's a tablespoon.
We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. That's what it said. And my good friend Paulina told me put like more cocoa powder. Start the stir. Nice. Que delicioso. Eu espero que essa comida vai ser muito delicioso. Esta é minha primeira vez, eu não sei, cozinhando o brigadeiro. Então, eu não sei como vai ser, mas eu tenho hope. Como você está, meu amigo?
Tá bem?
Tá bem. O que a gente comeu hoje?
Oi, gente,
Comeu? Obrigado.
Brigadeiro.
O brigadeiro.
Brigadeiro, não.
A gente vai comer brigadeiro, mas hoje a gente comeu tacos e
Sim.
board and brew também, né? Comeu hoje.
How do you say chocolate?
I think it's shogo. No, maybe it's chow. I don't know. Maybe we have to look up what chocolate
I
is.
thought it'd be just like.
Can you check on your phone?
Chocolate.
Will you stir it for a little bit, Teddy? I'm gonna clean up this stuff a little bit. It needs to get thicker. Teddy, no! What'd you do? Go back. It's gonna bubble. Yeah, all right, let's turn this shit up. That's the thumbnail. I'll take it over. Oh, it's starting to, yeah. It's starting to smell like brownies, no? Doesn't it smell like brownies?
Yeah, it smells good.
Oh yeah, okay, it's starting to get solid. All right, we're just gonna pour this onto a plate. All right. It seems hot, dude. It might burn. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Poor Teddy. I messed up. Oh, it is hot.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Make a bowl of ice cream as an apology. Oh, it's thick now. It's getting thicker by the moment. Nice.
I prefer vanilla ice cream.
Não esqueçam a inscrever-se e curtir meu vídeo. Falou, gente. Fala. Say it, Teddy.
Falou, gente.
Falou, gente. I'm gonna need Anna Paula to write all the subtitles.